Hi again. One more of these videos for today. We're going to look at circles. We're going to skip the middle here. So circles are rectangles. They're special rectangles. You have to find the base and the height. The base is half of the circumference, so it's halfway around. Circumference is pi times diameter, which is all the way up and down. Well, half of that would be pi times diameter divided by 2, and the diameter divided by 2 is the radius. So that is the height of our circle when we make it into that's the base of our circle when we make it into a rectangle. It's base times height. It's pi times radius because diameter divided by 2 is radius. So that's this one. And then the height of our rectangle was just the radius. That is not super important to remember. The important thing to remember is that the area of a circle is pi times radius, which we usually write as pi times radius squared. So the important thing on circles is to find the radius. So we have to find the middle of the circle and count to the outside. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I'm not sure, I can count from the all the way across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Halfway across is 4. So the radius is 4. And that's all I need. Put it right into here. Pi times 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times pi. Pi is 3.14. So this is 16 times 3.14. If you don't have a calculator, 16 pi is great. The area of this circle is 16 pi units squared. If you do have a calculator, you can go 16 times 3.14, and that would give you 50.24 units squared. There's also a button on most calculators with the pi on there. If you do that, 16 times pi, you would probably get something like 50.26548246. That's fine, but all I need is this. Okay? Or this. So make them easy. The circles are really easy. There's not much more to say. The hard part is understanding how it became a rectangle. The easy part is saying, hey, what's my radius of my circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So my radius is halfway across. That's 3. So my area is pi times 3 times 3. And I could do that in my calculator. I can press the pi button, and I press the 3 button, and pi button times the 3 button times the 3 button, and I would get 28.27 and a whole bunch of other things, but I only need 2 decimal places. It's fine. So 28.27 units squared. If I don't have the pi button, I can say 3 times 3 is 9, so 9 pi units squared. That's it with circles. We're going to get a little more complicated in circles in just a second in the next video.